Have you ever heard of perovskites? If not, you're about to discover the material that could completely change the way we power the world. Perovskites are a family of crystals with a quirky structure. Imagine a Rubik's Cube, but at the atomic scale. That unique shape gives them some mind-bending properties, especially when it comes to energy. So why is everyone in the science world suddenly obsessed with them? Well, let's talk solar panels. Traditional silicon panels are everywhere, but they're relatively expensive to make and not as efficient as we'd like. Enter perovskites. These crystals can be printed like ink onto flexible materials, bending around corners or even rolling up like a poster. And the best bit, they're astonishingly good at turning sunlight into electricity, sometimes even better than silicon. But perovskites aren't just about solar power. They're popping up in batteries, LEDs, and even futuristic X-ray detectors. Their secret sauce is how they move energy around, super efficiently and with minimal waste. Imagine charging your phone in half the time, or windows that generate their own power. Of course, there's a catch. Perovskites are a bit fussy. They don't always last long in the real world, but researchers are racing to crack the code, tinkering with formulas and protective layers to make them tough enough for everyday use. So, next time you flip a light switch or charge your gadgets, think of perovskites, the quiet revolution happening at the atomic level, shaping the future of energy. Who knew a humble crystal could hold so much power?